The crypto universe has seen how the lawsuit took a toll on Ripple's internal coin, XRP. Yet, it took a hurdle to realize the potential of the XRP token.
Now you know.
Despite the involvement of a legitimate body like the SEC in the lawsuit, XRP took a hike due to its deep market sentiments.
Oh yeah.
It looks like XRP is prepared to take off to the literal moon. Is it a profitable investment? Welcome to Moneymaker.
I'm Ron Burgundy. You stay classy, San Diego.
And thanks for stopping by.
But mainly, stay classy.
Moneymaker is a channel dedicated to helping others become financially independent, FIRE movement, through cryptocurrency trading and investing.
Let's hold on, let's count to 10, all right?
Today, we will be analyzing whether XRP is a good investment option and whether it has the potential to provide greater returns. To begin with, the entire crypto market is dynamic and changing frequently.
You look pretty.
What did you say?
I said you look shitty. Good night, Denise.
Therefore, by the time you watch this video, the token prices might have switched to a whole different range. In addition to this, the information contained in this video does not in any manner attempt to be taken as a piece of financial or investment advice. The content shared in this video is solely curated to suffice the purpose of being informative and educational.
Can you fly this plane and land it?
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious.
You are requested to pursue your diligent research or consult an expert in this regard to make better financial decisions. With that being said, let's get into it. The lawsuit against Ripple filed by SEC has attained a fair share of fame for the crypto company's internal token XRP. Although the case initially affected the currency adversely, the crypto space realized the potential and market sentiments XRP has in the sector. With all that being said, we are already familiar with what's going on in the lawsuit and the chances of XRP winning over the regulatory body. At present, the discovery phase granted by the court to both parties is coming to an end. Both the parties have been preparing documents to support their claim. The lawsuit filed in December last year got dragged so far as both the parties remain solid on their stance. Ripple, however, could come across significant wins in the lawsuit. Following such hype, the currency could cross the $1 benchmark, a major checkpoint for any currency before taking off for good.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
The XRP community has curiously followed the updates and developments ongoing with Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. Since Ripple and XRP are deeply tied to each other, the final verdict is expected to significantly impact the altcoin's price. As XRP offers transactions at a low cost, it boosts its utility and demand for remittances. This strengthens the perspective of an improvement in demand and a decline in selling pressure positively. XRP is well known for its approach to helping even banks to carry out cross-border payments at a relatively lower cost and higher speed. The feature enabled the currency to attract a significant investor mix. It has been placed in the number 6 position on the top cryptocurrency list. Now Ripple has taken another sharp turn by investing in the NFT marketplace Mintable. The crypto company has joined hands with Mintable on a $13 million funding round. Mintable offers platforms for users to buy, create, and sell digital items by utilizing crypto or fiat currencies. Many other influential investors have invested on the forum, like John Oringer, founder and executive chairman of Shutterstock, the blockchain gaming developer Animoca Brands, angel backers Doug Band, NFT investment fund Metapurse, and a former advisor to Bill Clinton. On the collaboration, the CEO of Mintable, Zach Burks, says that the NFT sector has risen in appeal and mass acceptance throughout 2021 and has shown a significant presence in even aspects of the entertainment sector, like fine arts, sports, and many more. He further added that with the upgradation or improvement occurring within every industry, and because the space is rapidly evolving, Ripple could be reckoned as a critical company and a significant milestone for Mintable. He also thanked them for their support and belief and concluded that NFT would become a mainstream sector shortly. Mintable is headquartered in Singapore and minted about 700,000 NFTs for brands, celebrities, and artists based on last year's records. Mintable plans to incorporate Ripple's XRP Ledger, which assures low transaction fees and less energy consumption compared to any other crypto in the space, promoting an idle platform for creators to sell their works. The crypto company Ripple also expressed their excitement on working with Mintable and says that Mintable provides both developers and users best-in-class experience and fetches more participants into the blockchain ecosystem with NFTs. The Mintable application is focused on removing the barriers of high gas fees and concerns over sustainable NFT tokens by collaborating with the XRP Ledger. The entire XRP community is pleased with the news on the deal and feels that incorporating NFT into the XRP Ledger is a no-brainer.
That guy in a little coat.
Community responded that the collaboration is fantastic and it motivates creators using NFT and the crypto since gas fees for minting were always crazy high. Hence, with the help of XRPL, such a challenge will be removed, creating a history. We can conclude that it is an excellent move that Ripple has taken, and we need more integrations and investments like this to observe a fantastic future for XRP currency. In most cases, companies and managers grow while the investors shrink. However, XRP is trying to get more investor attention and increase the user base consistently. With the expectations around the lawsuit heating up, XRP is predicted to cross its all-time high of $3 soon. At the time of creating this video on August 27, XRP was trading at $1.07. Since the last crypto crash on May 19, the XRP dropped and was trading at a range below $1 till the second week of August. Yet, now it looks like XRP is returning to its track by crossing the $1 benchmark. Everything went down with the Bitcoin drop. At present, Bitcoin has entered a bull run and surpassed the $50,000 mark. As we know, Bitcoin's growth is directly proportional to the rest of the altcoins.
Le who? The her.
With the return of Bitcoin, we will observe the altcoins having a bull party shortly, which has already begun. Based on the performance and price movement, XRP is expected to hit $3 within a 2-year timeframe by 2023. Imagine, if you invest in XRP now, where would the token be by 2023? If you invest $100 now in the token, in 2023, it would be up by more than 100% and will be worth more than $300 then. According to expert analysts, the token is predicted to move past its all-time high of $3.40. Following the movement, the token would join the discovery phase. During the last week, XRP stayed highly range-bound and was trading below $1.30. Despite consolidation, expert crypto analysts expect that the currency is set to enter a rally similar to the one seen in 2017. Accordingly, if the crypto manages to move past the limit of $3.40 in a few months, then the next bullish target would be $10. If that happens, going 3 to 5 times sounds pretty reasonable and straightforward. Looking at the price history, we can infer that 3 years ago, in 2017, it went 10 times. Hence, surpassing the $10 range doesn't sound so unrealistic. If the bullish momentum continues, the crypto might as well hit $20 to $30 by the end of the current bull run. The estimation depends on a drop in sell pressure in the upcoming days after a breakout following the token hitting its all-time high of $3.40. We can observe that more institutional countries and investors are showing a great interest in XRP and adopting it due to its ability to achieve speedy transactions at cheaper rates. Due to all these obvious reasons, the likelihood of the XRP token experiencing a whopping hike has got high. Once the regulations are set and XRP manages to win the lawsuit, things are bound to get pretty good for the investor community. What we have come across so far in this video indicates that XRP has the potential to play big anytime soon in the sector.
Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Given that the crypto sector is skeptical, many are still dubious about the token. However, they don't realize the immense potential it holds, and the FOMO, or fear of missing out, attracted more investors into the token. Due to a positive sign being signaled by the currency as a long-term investment, no investors would want to miss out on the fun. If one observes the price movements of the token, we can see the immense growth it has exhibited. It took only a short amount of time for the crypto trading at way below the $1 benchmark to cross the limit. Look where it is now. Due to all obvious facts and reasons, XRP has thrived on being one of the best investment opportunities to grab the investor's attention widely. Hence, we can conclude that XRP is a perfect fit for your well-diversified investment portfolio. More deals and upgrades are included in the roadmap of the currency, which will unleash and test new price records shortly. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informational, please consider hitting that like button, subscribe to the channel, do let us know your views on this token, and lastly, make sure to turn on the post notifications so that you never miss out on any new updates from us. We will see you guys in our next one. Goodbye!